In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can stop all pop-up notifications from IQ Options app. So if you're receiving a lot of notifications from this app, it is pretty much simple to stop them. Once you stop them, you'll never see those annoying notifications. Now, to stop these notifications, the first thing you need to do is to access the IQ Options information page. And to do so, there are two ways. The first way, just go to settings on your Android smartphone. So I'll tap on settings. And then from this, scroll down until you see the option called apps. And here's my apps. I'll go ahead and tap on it. Now from this, look for this option called manage apps. Now this will depend on your smartphone. I'm using Redmi Note 10. However, this process should be more or less the same on your smartphone. So for your case, it might be written manage apps or all apps. Go ahead and tap on it. And then this will go ahead and list all the apps that you have on your smartphone. Now from this list, scroll down until you see the IQ option app. So if I scroll down, you can see my IQ options app is here. You can as well go ahead and search it from here and you'll find it. So if I go ahead and tap on it, now we are on the app information page. So this is the first method you can get to the app information page. However, if this process is long, let me show you a shortcut method. Now in the shortcut method, all you need to do is to go to your app. And once you have found it, just go ahead and long press on it. And then you will see we shall have this option called app info. So if you tap on this app info, it will go ahead and open the app information page. Now from here, scroll down until you see this option called notifications. And here's my notification option. So if you tap on notifications, you can see it is currently turned on. And that's why you are receiving all those notifications. To turn them off, you can turn them one by one here. But that is not the best way to do so. To turn all of them, just go ahead and toggle off this option called show notifications. So if I toggle it off, now all the notifications from this app have been stopped. So from now henceforth, you'll never again see those pop-up notifications. If you found this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. Thanks for watching and please watch the next video.